Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2013 63 plate Audi Q3 Quattro Auto. Now this is a nice car finished in Daytona grey, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Now the Daytona grey is coupled with lovely bright silver detailing to the exterior. This is an SE model, so the centre grille, lots of bright silver detailing there. You've got the Quattro badge as well, just to say that this is the four-wheel drive system. Alloy wheels, 17-inch multi-spoke alloys finished in lovely sparkle silver, colour-coded lower environment, so that's your sills, your lower diffuser and splitter. Colour-coded mirror caps, bright silver detailing. You've got your bright silver roof bars on this one also. Front and rear parking sensors on this car. Coming through then to the boot. In the rear, you've got your parcel shelf present. We've also got split folding rear seats. Quite a bit of luggage space in the rear. Down here, you'll find your tyre space saver spur wheel, which is a nice thing to have. Most of these cars come with inflation kits. And then jumping inside is a charcoal cloth sports interior. So nice supportive bolsters, nice pattern in the centre of the seats. Looking at the actual bolsters and the seat base, they're in nice order. We've got the original Audi tailored floor mats all throughout the car, so front and rear. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the bottom there. Rear vent, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning in the back. We've got our Isofix seats in the back there. No signs of any sort of stains, rips. Inside, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. Doesn't smell of any pets at all. What we'll do is we'll close the door, slide the seat back a smidge just so we can get a full appreciation of the interior. So we've got this nice grey detailing all throughout the car, so on the door cards, the dashboard. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, central locking automatic lights, a lovely leather upholstered multi-function steering wheel. So on here you've got your voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. You've got your flappy paddles for the automatic box. So this is an S-tronic gearbox, double clutch, so very nice and smooth. I've had the chance to drive this car myself and it drives absolutely spot on. On the dashboard there's no lights illuminated. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 71,181 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. You've got satellite navigation on this vehicle. You've got all the different tone modes, so you've got your bass, your treble, balance and fader. That's obviously for your radio, which is FM. You've got your media, which is your jukebox, SD card, DVD, Bluetooth as well. Full phone sort of connectivity there, and then you've got your main menu also. Flicking through down to the bottom then, you've got your front and rear parking sensors, your traction control, automatic stop start, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver, electric parking brake, 12-volt power outlet, central armrest which is fully adjustable, and then inside the cabin you've got a Quattro badge again, just to say that this is four-wheel drive. But a nice car. If you'd like anything further on the vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment, we are trying to work via appointments. Please do get in touch. Anything further, if you like a part exchange price, if you like some finance quotes, we can happily get those for you. But thanks for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.